Hello students, good afternoon. Today we are going to study the programs in Python. So this is a very simple program which is of swapping. This is our first program that we are learning on Python. So for Python execution without downloading the software, we are going to work on a colab software. Only the requirement is you must have a Gmail ID and that should be opened. Then you can directly go to the Google tab and you can write there Google Colab. Then you will get a screen like this. You have to write a program here. So you can observe here I've already written the program. I'll just explain. So swapping means we are interchanging the content. For example, a equal to 2, b equal to 5. Then after swapping, we expect that b should be 2 and a should be 5. Okay, so we are interchanging the values of a and b. This is nothing but the swap operation. So what am I doing? A is assigned to 2, b is assigned to 5. So whatever is on the right hand side of the equal to sign, that will be assigned to the left hand side variable. So these values will be put in the memories named a and b. So I'm printing this value so that user will come to know which are the values which he has entered before. So print in double quote, circular bracket, whatever you write inside the double quote that will be printed on a screen. And I want to print a value of a here in this statement. Print before swapping a equal to. So you have to write comma name of the variable. So I have written comma a. So copy paste control C control V is applicable in Colab. So directly you can copy paste and you can change the variables. So here I have written B and B. So here I am printing the values of A and B which users have given before swapping. Okay. Now we'll apply the logic of swapping. So if I directly write A equal to B, 5 will be written inside A, but the value of A will get lost. So we have to store this value somewhere and then we can overwrite. So I'm writing C equal to A. So now my C will act as a content of A. So C will contain 2 here. Now I can overwrite. So I've written A equal to B. So A will contain 5 now. Okay. And B should contain 2. So we have stored this 2 in variable name C. So I'm saying B equal to C. So already swapping has took place. Now after execution of these three statements, A will contain 5 and B will contain 2. Okay, now I will print A and B here with the same logic, same print statements I am using here. And after execution, see I am executing. After execution, you will get before swapping A was 2, B was 5, and after swapping A is 5 and B is 2. Hence the logic works. Okay, so this is our first program. Stay tuned to my channel. We'll see some more programs in Python. Thank you for today.